Namaste and welcome to my YouTube channel LAWgically Legal. I'm Advocate Sumit Arora and today I'm going to delve into a tool that puts the power of information in your hands, the Right to Information Act. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we are beginning a three-part series, Mastering the Art of Filing an RTI Application, to understand the complete mechanism of RTI, which would include what is an RTI, its purpose and uses, how to draft an RTI application, complete process of filing a successful RTI. In today's episode, I will discuss in detail what is an RTI, its purpose and uses. In upcoming episodes, I will thoroughly discuss the correct way to draft an RTI application. And the following episode, I will share the complete process of filing an RTI application along with the reimbursement you'll get for delayed response. Let's begin our today's podcast. What is an RTI and its purpose along with the uses? RTI stands for Right to Information and it refers to the legal right of citizens to access information held by public authorities. Citizens file RTI applications for various reasons, each tied to the fundamental principles of transparency, accountability, and democratic governance. It is of prime importance to understand why filing an RTI application is important and why is an RTI filed. For what reasons a citizen might choose to file an RTI application? Citizens may seek information about government policies, decisions, actions to understand the rationale behind them. Individuals may also request details about ongoing or proposed public projects to stay informed about their development and impact. RTI applications can also be used to inquire about the conduct and performance of public officials, ensuring accountability and integrity in public service. Citizens can also request information on government expenditures to ensure that public funds are used efficiently and effectively. Citizens may seek information about administrative processes and decision-making procedures to promote transparency within the government organizations. Individuals can access public records and documents to understand historical events or decisions. RTI applications may be filed to obtain information about potential human rights violations or social injustices. Citizens can seek information related to environmental issues and government actions to address such concerns about pollution, deforestation, etc. Individuals involved in legal proceedings may use RTI to obtain relevant documents and information related to their cases. Citizens can inquire about the legal basis for specific government policies or decisions. RTI applications can be filed to gather information about the quality and availability of public services like education and healthcare. Citizens may seek updates on the progress of infrastructure projects that impact their communities. Obtaining information through RTI can aid advocacy efforts, allowing citizens to raise awareness about some of the critical issues. Checking corruption, particularly financial transactions, is also a greater aspect. Citizens can use RTI to inquire transactions to expose corruption or malpractice. Students, researchers, and academics may use RTI to access some relevant information for research and educational purposes. Professionals and policy analysts may file RTI applications to analyze government policies and decisions. However, I must inform you most important reasons why RTI applications are filed. Purpose for majority of the users are those individuals who are involved in legal proceedings use RTI to obtain relevant documents and information related to their particular cases. In essence, filing an RTI applications empowers citizens to actively participate in the democratic process, hold public authorities accountable, and contribute to the overall transparency and well-functioning of the government institutions. However, there are some exceptions as well. While the RTI Act promotes transparency, certain categories of information are exempt from disclosure. Exemptions include matters of national security, third-party personal information, and information that could impede the investigative process. Filing an RTI is your right, and it's crucial to step towards seeking justice. Stay informed, be assertive, and remember that the law is on your side. As Shri Krishna quoted, "It is a sin to commit injustice, but it is a greater sin to tolerate injustice." If you have any specific topics or questions you would like me to address, please let me know in the comment sections below. Your input is valuable to me, and I want to ensure that the content I create is relevant and helpful to you. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and let's stay in touch on social media platforms via LAWgically Legal. Together, let's learn, grow, and make a positive impact. Stay tuned with LAWgically Legal for more informative episodes. Until then, take care and exercise your legal right and demand answers. Thank you for joining me today. Stay informed. Bye-bye.